In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command Wireless Touchscreen, WTS700. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when a low battery message appears on your touchscreen display and in your ADT control app. First, make sure you have everything you need to change the battery. Remember, to maintain your system's warranty, this battery must be purchased from ADT. You can order on help.adt.com by clicking the chat button or by logging in to your myadt.com account. Now, let's begin. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system by tapping the grid icon on your Command touchscreen and entering your user code. Since the battery pack is located inside the device, you'll need to take the panel off the backplate to access it. Using a small electrically insulated screwdriver, unscrew the small bottom screw that's securing the touchscreen to the backplate. Slide the touchscreen up and off the backplate. Now, place the touchscreen face down on a flat surface. Lift the back kickstand to reveal the battery compartment cover. Locate the indentation on the left side of the battery cover. Insert your thumbnail into the slot and pry off the cover. You may hear a tamper sound or beeping from the panel during this process. Don't worry, this is normal. Remove the used battery by pulling it gently to the left to release it from the connection pins. Insert the new battery by aligning its contact with the pins in the compartment. Then press down to secure. To replace the cover, align the two tabs on the right side with the matching slot in the compartment. Then, press down until it clicks into place. If wall-mounted, fold the kickstand back in, slide the touchscreen onto the backplate and secure it by tightening the small bottom screw. Desk stand users can plug the device back into the electrical outlet once the battery cover is secured. If a tamper alert was activated, you'll want to clear the alert and stop the beeping. On your Command touchscreen, tap the grid icon in the lower right corner and enter your user code. Then repeat this sequence. This should stop the beeping. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Wireless Touchscreen. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.